Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 8 speakers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.